PBA Season 48 Philippine Cup. Semifinals Best of 7. Game 4 Full Highlights. Barangay Ginebra contra Meralco Bolts, pero bago ang lahat mga ka-Big Boss, magandang pagbabalik mga ka-Big Boss, pwede bang paki-like and subscribe at pa-hit ng notification bell. Meralco nakasungkit na ng 2 panalo, at may isang panalo naman ang Barangay Ginebra. Sino kaya ang mananalo ngayon? Kayo mga ka-Big Boss, saan kayo sa 2 kupunan na ito? Paki-comment na lang sa baba mga ka-Big Boss kung saan ka sa 2 team na ito. Maraming salamat.
Good, allow him to go right, keeper.
Hodge driving inside, do some
Excellent!
Big C for the third one.
Yes, sir!
And winning the hustle points, not giving up 2-minute transition baskets and getting back on the rebound.
Balik C.
Stanley driving inside. Yes, Barangay Ginebra have a chance to score.
Well, you know, even if he doesn't score as much,
Hodge leads away, jump shot, no. Maverick on.
you know, personally, Coach Steve will never abandon the triangle offense. Bottom line, you just put the ball in the hole.
Audio wakes up here. Now BC missing. Top numbers. They go down low. Almazan loses it. They're come in the series, for that matter.
Well, you know, especially if you're playing a great
Back to Malik C. Almazan open to 3. Go. Japan with the rebounding.
they're the ones hustling, yes.
C driving. Meralco's numbers. Torres lines up the 3. Go to Malik C. Gets shaded by Japan. Drives inside. Hands it off to BC. Maverick shoots it.
I think that went wrong for them in the first half. That's what Coach Nim pointed out in the dugout. They were out hustling.
Kusam. Fires that fadeaway. Kusam. Thought about it. Chico lines up the 3.
As I've said, he goes right, he scores 41 points. Like it.
CB. Driving. Fade.
Hit an 18-footer, but he couldn't hit it.
Cool fires the 3.
And work harder on defense, because if not, Nebra can just like, oh yes, Nebra has to out-energize them on those 50-50.
Ito.
Look at them.
Up top. Japan get it catch completely. Cross-court pass, Pascual. Mid-range. They go to Bringo. Now we Bringo. Pass by Aguilar. Newsome ahead of everybody. Chris. Tenorio. Floater. Oh. Newsome off and running. Banquero ahead of. But again, Nebra so far.
Well, that's all the experience that Chris Newsome has had.
Nebra. Banquero drives. Play it. Tries to increase their lead. They're up by 15. Nice play. Oh. Again, this is a best of 7 semifinal series. We've blown the roof of this stage, but Dario is all alone. Dario.
6. Wow. And the turnovers of Meralco